Can you stay with me through the coldest nights? Show me what you desire, like a symphony in the darkest times. Alone again. Alone again. Show me what you desire, like a symphony in the darkest times. Alone again. When we're lost in time, can you wait for me through the oldest lies? Show me what you desire, like a symphony in the darkest times. Alone again. Alone again. Alone again. Alone again. Alone again. Alone again.
Hey, what's up, guys? How is everybody doing? Um, just do. You go into here. And one sec. What's up, Iron? Actually, I don't think that. Never mind. I think I'm fine. Keep that like that. So, guys, how's everyone doing? What's up, Iron? What's up, Tricky? Just One Dark Pro. What's up, Cole? What's up, Kerr? Okay, so we need to actually set NC bucket. No needed no more. And then we'll do create object. No longer need to network these. Been waiting days for you to go live. Yeah, I decided I'm not gonna really try to stream on the weekends anymore because it's a good little break, like a 4-day break almost. I should still stream at least one of the days, but this weekend I just didn't really feel like it. Plus I was busy. Saturday I had to watch the UFC fights, and then I didn't get home till like 5 in the morning, and then I slept all day. It was one of them days. Why am I play buying? Stupid. to call an event just for that. And then the cheater can just call this animation on anybody. Local function. Working on crypto today. Yeah, I need to get this script done. Put way too much time and effort into this for nothing. Actually, this can just be passed. No, it should be here. I don't need to do that. Yeah, it'll probably be enough. Can you also just insert a load of entities in your database? It's a horrible idea. Plus, those IDs aren't persistent. Okay. Let's global this and then play this here. Which will play after it creates. There we go. And we don't need to trigger a useless event. It should still work. Yep. Oh, the create warehouse event? Yeah. A lot of this script is very much still in development for sure. Because I also don't have like the check to see if it's owned is up here. Then get player data, which then returns this. So honestly, we probably could do this. And then this should only be able if this is less than or equal to or less than or equal to 3. Because you can only own one of each warehouse. Wait, hold on. Is this being... This gets called here, yeah. So we'll add that check there to make sure they can't somehow trigger that when they already have one of each. And then we can test it by just doing... test W, and we'll do trigger. Actually, we should probably function ID. Just do it 3. Actually, and then we'll pull this over here. We can test this here. Test trigger server. Making the crypto finally. Yeah, we're back at it. Let me buy all 3 real quick. We'll do test W. And it shouldn't put another one. Actually, that's stupid. I really should have added a like a print or something. Print. Print. Sus alert. Yeah, I've been meaning to finish the script for a while now, actually. No sus alert. Oh, you know what? No, wait, never mind. Huh. So I bet you it's still probably printing into there too. Oh, maybe not. Wait, hold on. Let's test it. Go away. Oh, it's not. Well, that's good. It's not working. It created 4 though for some reason. Oh, let me test that again. Okay, so if I go into here and auto wipes, let me do 1, 2, 3. I'll check here. Okay, and then I'll do this. Okay, and then it does another one. But from there, just do less than 4. And then that should be fine. That's not right. Hold on. Print. Player data. Pull this over here. Something's not working correctly. Okay, so it's 0. Now it's 1. Now it's 2. Oh. It's less than or equal to. Less than or equal to 2. There we go. I love how it's still. Yeah, I'll just return if this is if player data is greater than 2. No, if it's less than no, if it's greater than 2, then we return. But still, I think it might still print next one. It's weird because the SQL returns 0. Their indexing starts at 0. Oh no, still let me make them now. Hold on. Player data is greater than 2. Actually, let me. Oh, print. Hold on. Return. Make this a little bit easier so I can debug this better. 0, 1, 2. Okay, there we go. There we go. That works now. Okay. Okay, so that will do that check. We'll check to see for like money and stuff. Okay. Discord just crashed in the middle of me typing. Oops. Wrong one. Uh, Here we go. That was odd. Said, no, we don't want you to work. Okay, ID's the level. Don't I have a function to handle that? Yeah, get warehouse config. Let me change this actually to dot install. And then I actually want to do new file shared Lua. And we're gonna create a folder shared. This function move. This can be used. Any side config. No manifest shared. Am I even using Polyzone? I don't think so. Use Qbox? Yeah, use Qbox. What's up, Noober? Okay. So then I should be able to call that function from any side. So I can do that find warehouse. And then we can do the export bridge. Do notify. 2500 type error. Crypto master. You do not have enough money. There we go. And then we'll return off of that too. And actually, yeah, you know what? Screw the cheaters. Because if they're gonna cheat this, net event out, we'll take their money. That's why that tasted really odd. I didn't even mix this. I drink stuff called Gamer Sup. It's like G Fuel, and I didn't even mix it. It tasted real weird. I just dumped it in, but didn't mix it. Okay, yeah. Screw the cheaters. We'll take their money if they try to cheat. What flavor? It was my first time. It was my first time having it. I just got the Swagger Souls flavor, which is okay. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't restart the script. Oops. Refresh. Oh crap! I deleted the config. The BBL flavor. Never heard of that one. You cheater air hand. That'd be kind of funny. I'm getting error on my bridge. No value global QBX. I had one the other day that Brock had. It was pretty good. I don't remember what it was. He would know. But it was one of the, I think it was Guacamole Gamer Farm. I think that one. I think it was that one. I don't remember. It's so much cheaper than energy drink, so that's the only reason I buy it. My bridge is throwing. My QBX is what's throwing. Gamer Fart 9000. I thought it was Guacamole Gamer Fart. This is a good flavor. Global QBX. So that's what's getting thrown for my bridge. On take money. Let me actually open my bridge up in a separate VS Code instance so we don't get mixed up here. Okay, so it's printing. The problem what's going on here is our money function. Global QBX here. Something's changing between them. I don't think anything. It's just a new line. Yeah, I used to play on Circuit when there was like 20 people in there. Global QBX. Throwing here. Or not there, it's throwing here. QBX. Line 10 here. That's odd. Why is it throwing? It worked when I tested it. You like their UI and stuff? Never really. I don't remember play. I don't remember it very much. Why? I don't know why it's. Why it's throwing. Set to index null value global QBX. So yeah, here money. Here, let me print QBX. don't see it. Let me print QBX here instead, actually. Not there. Nil, yeah, it's weird. What? Why did that work in testing, but now it's not working? Here, let's print config.framework. QBX, okay. Okay, so it's so print. Hello there. What are params used for? They're just, it's a type of documentation. I feel like it's how I have this set up. But if I comment this out, it should run all those if statements though. No, it's still throwing. I don't like how this is set up. I'm gonna do this instead. Oh, what happened to your house robbery? It was pretty much finished. I don't understand why it's not working. So it's something's wrong with how this line's being assigned. Make a police job, maybe. I'm Lisa. I'm my brother. Oh, what's up, man? Why is this not working? No, it is because I printed it. It actually it loads. It's loading the config. So like when we're printing config.framework and it actually prints here. So what's up, Flo? This is weird. So I just want to let you know, so it's Ryan, bro. One is literally trying to make a fuss with the other different OS. Oh, that's cool, man. I'm making an API for CodeWalker in C#. That's sick. I was trying to do some stuff with CodeWalker a while back. I don't feel like it's loading this, is Is it loading? It is because it's at least calling the function. Okay, so you found okay. Communicate with API. We can just use Solums though too. But you probably are, honestly. Yeah, when I print QBX, actually prints nil, which is weird. Now I want to test something here. Why doesn't that print? When does this one print? Anywhere. Print up here. Oh. My YouTube chat loaded. It's been 3 days. Yeah, it's been a while. I was on a nice long break. It's because none of these if statements are loading. But why are none of these if statements loading? That's odd. What the heck? Hold on. Wonder if it's stuck somewhere. Chat to like 5 minutes to load. Oh, that's weird. Now I'm like confused. Let's do command take. And then we'll print. Aha. Okay. So what if I assign it here? Wow, still oh, I'm restarting the wrong thing. Huh. Okay. So that's what it is. So for some reason these aren't being loaded right away. So do I have to on resource start these variables maybe? Oh my gosh, it's the same thing. It's just throwing the same thing. And then we'll do up here. Let's do another test here. Let's print QBX here. Nope, same thing. So fast QB. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. All right, wait. Is it what you sent me the other day, Iron? I don't remember. I haven't touched the bridge since my last big push. What admin menu are you using? Default QBX one? So the problem is the variables are staying contained. I think I just need to do QBX, QB, ESX, nil, nil, nil. And then I think if I just do this, first off, my QB one's wrong anyways. So that wouldn't even load. All right, I'll take a look. But I think I just figured out what was wrong. Hacking. Yeah, those are just bug bounties. Oh, no, same thing. Up value. Still printing now. Oh, exclamation point spooner. Oh, I already have that in Iron. I already have that set up. This is still printing nil, but when I signed it up here, it didn't print nil. So that's what doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Oh, where's my chat? Oh, I closed it. Oops. we working on? We're trying to make a working on a crypto script. Yeah, I can try to put it in a thread. See. Up. Oh, now it's up value and not nil. That's good, but still it's printing nil. So which is odd because last time it printed when I tested it in the command it worked. Okay, let's see if something was weird being weird, but it's not being weird. It's something with this line here. For some reason, it doesn't seem like it's running. Hi, Twisle. Can I ask you something? Yeah, of course. Got water in my ears earlier while in the shower. Now I can't hear anything. I hate when that happens. There was a few weeks ago when I was streaming, I couldn't hear anything on my left ear for like the entire stream. Why? Why? No. Okay, so no matter what, this line isn't being ran at all. I already said, man, it's called Spooner, exclamation point Spooner. Need to do. That's what assigns the framework. Now we need to make sure now we actually need to fetch the framework resources. But for some reason this line isn't running at all. Is this on print test? Why is none of these? I wonder if I shouldn't do my FX manifest like this. So we'll load server.main and then we'll load server.money. Money inventory. Now that I think about it, I know at least I've seen the Project Sloth one. They list everything out, so maybe that's it. Oh, I gotta refresh. No. Okay, still same thing. Let me load this after. Wait, what did I just do? I'm working on my crypto script right now, but we're fixing my bridge. My bridge has decided to break. I did refresh, man. So the problem, okay. Let's go to money here. And let's just print testing. Let's just print that here. Okay, so it actually printed testing here. Okay. So then let's print testing 2. Okay, so it both got called. Okay. Print QBox. I was looking in the wrong spot for where it was being called. So, okay, see, it's saying nil here. So it's something. Why? Because this isn't assigning. So let's do if not. We can do if not, then maybe it's having some weird issues loading. I have no clue, to be completely honest. Okay, so there it loaded. Okay. So if you mix and not. Okay, so it's gonna be the weird way if I set the inventory, which is so stupid why I just had to do that, but just use the export object. I mean, yeah, I could. Where's the fun in that? Oh, no, it's still through. Okay. What? $13. Okay, so this is where we actually do just use the export directly. Alright, we'll use it and see if it works. Because I mean, it printed there, so I don't know why. It has to be something with. It has to be something with functions being defined. $13. Compare number with table. Source amount reason. Oh, dude, wait. No. No, 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 no. No, no. Oh, no. No. Man, who let this guy code, dude? Who let this guy code? This guy has no idea what he's doing at all. I don't know who let this dude code. Who let this guy code? You know what's crazy? It was working the entire time. It shouldn't be 720p. You might need to refresh. I don't even need any of this crap here. Sometimes the stream's quality will just shit the bed. Just refresh. Okay, so that one through. Okay, so maybe it like halfway wasn't working, but it was also kind of working at the same time. Okay, so maybe actually maybe what I had was actually needed. Okay. Okay. So I'm thinking the problem is because of something. Okay, so crypto needs bridge. So let's restart the bridge. No, let's restart crypto and then restart the bridge. And then everything breaks. Okay. All right, all right. Everything is not working again. I had the word testing and that made it work. Yeah. The problem is something. We just don't know what something is, and now it's not working again. So it worked. Hey, it worked once, which is good. And now it's no working. No, the config is because it printed. It's printing framework found QBX, which that means config here, config.framework after it's being assigned. So I wonder if it's because of the. No, that wouldn't make any sense. I think it just worked. Why'd it work once? Here, let me restart the server and I'm gonna make sure the bridge gets loaded before all my scripts. It's a race condition because one time the variable did get loaded before take money gets. So you're thinking it's. Oh, okay. But the problem is take money, that's not the only function within that file. So I could just add a wait statement. I could just add like a wait here. Wait, we'll do a 5-second wait here. That's 50 seconds. We'll do a 10-second wait between where the variables are getting assigned and where the functions get compiled to see if you're right. Because it could be it didn't it just they wake it's going too fast. Might actually start getting into FiveM. Can I code in C++ and FiveM? No, you can use C# if you want. good old C sharp. No, let me Control F in the console, please. I don't know if the bridge loaded. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Stop logging me out, FiveM. This is so annoying. I swear I always get logged out. Oh, it's because their authorization or whatever is down again, and I can't close it. There we go. I don't like Lua, so I agree with you, Dev. I hate Lua. I probably hate Lua just a tiny bit less. Or I probably hate Lua a tiny bit less than I hate Python. Lua's top 2 least favorite language ever. I cannot stand this stupid language. I cannot stand any language where it matters where you put things. It's stupid. All right. Same error. Oh yeah, same error. Slowest ever, but for some reason just get the ability code. Yeah, Lua does have some wonky syntax. Print. Please try. Yeah, I'll try that. No such export. Take money and resource TW bridge. Sounds like a whole bunch of cap to me. Oh, I'm so stupid. So I don't know why. Do you have an ad blocker? Okay, so now the exports aren't even loading. Okay. That's why. Sometimes I know I don't know how the YouTube ad blocker works, but I know for the Twitch ad blocker, sometimes sometimes when the ad played, it actually killed the quality. So that could be why. Okay, so yeah, that works. Doing it inside of take money worked. Makes zero sense. Kind of annoying. I don't know why I'm doing it like this though. It's just pointless. To create an initializer which runs before anything else. You know, I was thinking about doing that in main. I was thinking about doing that in main. And so I can just call all functions. So I was going to do like local functions. And then assign these objects into functions. And then I was going to just get the functions from here and then load them in each file so I don't have to have these being called each time. So I can just do function get framework object. And then I can just literally I think I can just return these. And then functions, I'll just equals nil here. And then we will on resource start, we'll load this here. This is just going to be equal to these. Functions equals functions. Get main functions will just return functions, and then in money instead we can do local functions equals, but we won't do it for Qbox because Qbox will be weird because of how Qbox does everything via exports. But for the normal frameworks, get framework object. So for the normal objects, we should just be able to do this. And then it should work for all the for the other ones. And I should just be able to call, instead of QB core, I should just be able to call functions. And then the same here, I should just be able to call functions here and here. Can I use... I wonder if I can use QB core... Can I use QB core functions to take money and stuff? Hold on. Let me try. value functions 23 line 23 on money. Why? Wait half a second. No, that's stupid though. Shared. No, I can't do that because not all the functions for Qbox and stuff are shared. Oh, do they use the same? Or we can make sure that. So main is load server main. Okay, it's loaded first, which initializes everything. So it loads that. So this should, I don't understand why this doesn't work. Because main is loading first. Oh, change in core, thanks. In main, I forgot about that. All of them load at the same time. How do you add a... I thought... Well, they should load top to bottom, right? Go to money 23. Yeah. Print. Yeah, you're right. They all do. They all get loaded at the same time. It's a nil up there. I don't want to have to put a weight on top of every function or every event or every file though. And then it just not even work at all anyways. Oh, there we go. So if I add a weight, it works. Okay. So you're right. They do all load at the same time. Okay. So I have to put a weight on top of every function? Or in network get return core object. Actually, we can just do a check. If core objects, if not core object, then we'll just fetch it all again. And then I think if I do that, I don't think I should have to do... There we go. That worked. So I just need to check for the core, or I just need to wait when we're fetching. So I just need to recheck it when fetching. Why do you do param? Because it's a public script, so I want other people to be able to know what's going on. Okay, so I can change this back to auto. No point in doing logic and research something doing again if not found. That makes total sense. Because it tries to fetch it once when it starts, and if it doesn't fetch it, then okay. Then when the function gets called, then it will try to fetch it again. Why is that? Why is no point in that? For fine development first, just to practice. Uh, usually say like a trucking thing is very simple. Like go to a ped, interact with them, spawn car, drive car, point B, return car, job done. That's a pretty good starting point. I mean, logic the function but return core object if it's nil, else fetch. So then I should be able to also grab this same logic here. But yeah, that's a good spot to start, Dev. But just to let you know, coding that in C# with FiveM can be really, really annoying. So just buckle down because it's not fun. So I should be able to just do the exact same thing I did here, but in inventory. And I'm just going to do the same thing here. So QBX, if it's even referenced anywhere. Okay, that's not even referenced anywhere. QB core, not referenced. ESX is referenced. Okay. It wasn't about QB core loading first. It was about which one of our files loaded first. So we got it. It's working now. Yeah, it's C# can be a pain in the butt, Dev, because you have to build every time, and there's a lot of like small changes that you do, and so it can be kind of irritating if you have to always just stop and start, stop and start. Change that back. Okay. So then we can do literally the exact same thing, but on the on the uh, on the client here instead. Okay, so I'm gonna just start. So this is no longer a template at this point. I in reality should have just not did it like this. I should have just made it like a full-on template, but and then I can take this and then I can go into like progress. I can literally just do core objects and we can do function. That's progress, and then we can do this and it should work. Don't need those anymore. And I should wait, I might actually be able to no, I'm not ever gonna remove the if statements. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, exclamation point Discord. There's a lot of like-minded developers in there, man. So if you need help with stuff, a lot of people will help you out. And I'm in there a lot too, helping people out in chat. So all about helping people out. Can you be a developer for my server? No, I can't. Sorry. If you join the Discord and open a ticket, then I might do like commission stuff, but honestly, it just depends on the scope. Thanks, man. Honestly, sick community built. Everyone is so willing to help. Yeah, that's what we're trying to foster here. It's just a like even in my YouTube bio, it says non-toxic community. You know, everyone starts somewhere. There's no reason we should be toxic towards people, unless you just well, you shouldn't be toxic towards anyone for any reason. But if you just ask me the same stupid question after I told you like 800 times in a row, yeah, I'm gonna get frustrated. Just like any teacher is gonna get frustrated. So don't ask me the same stupid question over and over again. That's like my one pet peeve. I hate when people do that. Okay, commit. Oh crap! I didn't save this. Okay, so we don't have to mess with the bridge anymore. So that's fixed. Thank the Lord. That was a headache. Oh crap. I'm stupid. We have to mess with the bridge again. Oh, never mind. I already have it defaulting to auto anyways. Never mind. We don't have to mess with the bridge anymore. Where can I find the stuff you make right now? GitHub. A lot of my stuff's on GitHub. I need to eventually add a version check too. We're working on my crypto script right now. Exclamation point Discord. It's a link to my Discord. Okay, so let's actually do my crypto stuff since we really haven't done it at all. Is QB easier to learn before than going on to learn the Oxlib stuff? I mean, the Oxlib stuff, you just read the documentation. It's nothing like crazy. Oxlib is kind of just like extensions of the natives anyways. A lot of them I've noticed they're just regular natives. But with more functionality. Let me enter this warehouse. Okay, so I fixed the problem we were having with the server racks being spawned for everybody when they spawn, because I'm an idiot and for some reason I was trying to network. I was networking the server racks for some reason. It's just stupid how it's doing it. Okay, so we're still doing this? Yeah, we're still doing it. Where's that logic at? I really wanted to do this, but it's not being very friendly. Qbox personally, dev. I'd say Qbox. Why is on exit not working? Bro, I was spelling it wrong. Oh. Oh my god, of course. Is it really my stream if I don't spell it wrong? Oh man. How's everyone's day going? Everyone having a good day? If I make a tracking thing tool would be best for me. Yeah, it's like I like that. I think that's a good starting point for a lot of jobs. Yeah, I've had a good day so far. I wasn't gonna stream at first, but I said screw it, I'll stream for a little bit. I need to get this because I was gonna work on the crypto script either way, and I'm like, oh, I might as well if I'm coding, I might as well stream. So okay, there we go. Now it works. So let's actually change this to clear pet task. And also, while I'm standing right here, I need to test something. So if I go into here and I go into here, but I go back. Okay, good. It only cancels if you exit. Okay, good. But I don't like how it snaps, so we're just gonna do clear pet task so it does like a clean exit. Having fun watching the code. Heck yeah, man. I'm glad you enjoy the content. Okay, so let's buy a rack. Make sure it works still. Nice. Create rack. Then else. Oh. Okay, hold on. You want to clear the action here no matter what. Want to clear it there no matter what. Want to clear it here no matter what. Want to clear it here no matter what. I'm doing good, man. Just hanging out. And we want to clear it here no matter what. Okay. That should clear the animations. Okay. So this is still working, which is good. Check for errors. Okay, good. So that's still working. Let me restart here. Okay. So next thing we need to do is make our server. We're gonna make a tick. So there's gonna be a server tick rate. Okay, so we'll have our version check. Okay, so we need to do thread while true, and we're gonna do a tick every probably 15 minutes. Minutes to milliseconds. Probably 15. So every mining tick. Okay, so let's do some item logic, and then we're here. We'll do tick logic. Okay, so a lot of our stuff here is already. Hold on. A lot of our stuff here is already done. So you'll base mine 1 crypto per minute. So for example here, if I buy this warehouse and then we head inside, by default when I buy a rack, by default, so I won't be able to turn this on because you need a GPU, a CPU, and a PSU. You need all those things to be able to turn it on. So if I head over to context and we go to build rack, and we go to power button, rack.stat, here, has required item. And this will actually tell us if we have the required item or not. So rack.status is what it needs to be 1. That is what allows us to, status is what, it means the rack is turned on. So if the rack, So first off, we're going to fetch every single rack. We need to fetch every single rack. So we're gonna go to get player data, and we're gonna query on. Let's functionalize this local function. Get all racks. Actually, that's kind of stupid to make that a function. Yeah, let's not make that a function. It's kind of pointless. So we'll do local racks equals this. I don't know why I did that. We use a bool value to determine if the rack is on, because the booleans are weird with SQL, from what I remember. Actually, I think we need to get all the racks from here. Yep. Stop doing that. This is when I turn off the prettier because it's being stupid. Where status equals 1. Yeah, something with SQL. I can't remember. I did it when I was in college. They had a whole thing about booleans with SQL. Okay, so now we'll get every single rack that status is 1. Okay, so yeah. So now we're going to do local function calculate crypto gain. And then, so that will return power production, total produced status, time running. Oh, wait, we just need to change production. I actually think that's all we need to do. Or we can mess with our rack ID. Wait, hold on. When I open that inventory, what does this say? Okay, so it holds the ID of the warehouse and the rack. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, we can get the inventory here. Okay, where is production messed with? Anywhere? No. Okay, so we need to get the items in that inventory. Where is... We need to go into Ox. And first off, we'll do... Let me serve from 1 VPS to a dedicated server. I mean, it's just like drag and drop everything. That's what I did when I switched providers. I kind of just drag and dropped everything from one to the other. Okay, so we're gonna do local GPUs equals this. Yeah, it's pretty simple to move, to be honest. So we just do GPU.count. See, I don't need anything else related to that, so we can just do .count. Okay, so we're gonna do local multi equals So local, we'll do local base gain equals config dot base gain. So we're going to do our base gain there. So then we're going to do local gain equals base gain, which is stupid. We'll just do this. Gain is going to be, gain is going to be times equal. Well, that blew up 5.4. I do times equal. Okay, no. Gain plus equal GPUs times config dot multis dot 1, 2, 3. Which one is GPU 3? Got 3. 3. To dot. So that should be, so this should equal 1 plus, this should be, so this here should be 1 plus, 1 plus, or actually it would be 1 plus 1 plus, and then it would be GPU, which was X times 0.2. Yeah, it's also just depends on like if you have a Steam server near you, stuff like that. There's a lot of factors that also play into it. I can do 1 plus 5 times 0.2. So if you have 5 GPUs, you'll get 2 crypto instead of 1. Which is kind of trashy, honestly. Why do you get more crypto just because you have a fan? You should get more crypto because you have a thing. And then we'll do okay, so GPU. So next thing is fan. We need to get how many fans.
Rusnakul Kosti, Rusnakul, subscribe to the channel.
Nice, what's up, man? I appreciate it. Steam owns a whole room in a data center in the city, like 10 minutes away from me. Oh, that's weird. Then I did some stupid things here. Fan upgrade is I did it kind of stupid. Not totally stupid. We just need to get the fan upgrade from here. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. You should ask him for a tour. First thing I would have done is ask him for a tour. Okay, so this will pass through rack data, which passes through this entire table. So the next thing we need to query this warehouses. I think I should have like a get amount of racks, get amount of fans. Just yoink this. Actually, you know what we could do? Local function, get fans. Boom. ID. Warehouse. ID. And then we can literally just return. And we can use this function down here now too. Rack dot warehouse. 1, 2, 3. And then this shouldn't be named GPU. This should just name multi. And we can do fan equals power equals GPU equals. Do you know how? Yeah, it's just documentation. I have one question that if you'd like to answer. I'm currently working on a FiveM system where I use NUI. The problem I've encountered so far is that when I try to close the NUI, the player remains stuck and can't use any controls. Make sure you set NUI focus to false. The param stuff is just advanced. It's just advanced doc. It's not advanced. It's just more in-depth documentation. When I make free scripts, I do that.
Obey one, subscribe to the channel.
Config.multis.fan .power.gpu .multi. After GPU. Oh, thank you. Should add GPU gain per minute. I was thinking about doing a minute tick, but I also have it at set as every 15 minutes. Yeah, those. So you might be getting an error that's not letting those get called or something, or maybe the function isn't being called correctly. Oh, okay. Well, actually, we should only do the rack. The rack has its own power consumption. Uh, Powers only be the weird one. And rack dot power consumption is less than 50. There we go. We don't need to do that. We'll just do. Doesn't make sense if you have 100 fans and you get more crypto. You can't have 100 fans. There's a limit. This is gonna be like lunar crypto mining. I don't know. I've never seen that one before. The idea of the fans is that like cools down the thing, so the miners can work harder as if they're not overheating. That's not okay. All my pictures are gone. It's not fans like the fans that you're thinking of. It's like AC unit fans. Yeah, I have a status like that that will handle if they break. That will be handled in the tick. I don't know where those coins came from. But apparently we have coins in the server if we need them. Actually, never mind. Let me redo that. Let me ensure. There we go. No, all my images are gone for my stuff. Hold on. There we go. Do you use TX admin? I try to sometimes. There we go. Like for example, this I don't even think this first warehouse can even buy a fan upgrade. Yeah, this one can't even buy a fan upgrade. Let me actually. But if I go to the second, let me restart here. Oops, that's a load. If I go here, I'll be able to buy. Oh, nice. Okay. This warehouse isn't fully set up yet. Laptop. Standing cords. Okay. Never mind. All right, let's try it now. The fans is what cools it. Where you don't even need to use fans, you just need cooling. But the fans it adds like a thing to it, you know? A thing that doesn't work. Or maybe it does. It just didn't spawn. It's supposed to spawn right there. But it also didn't even play a thing at all. Animation. Let's go here. Oh yeah, because I don't have any events or anything for that. Why am I triggering, bro? Why did I do it like this? Okay, to do. Um, crypto. Oh, so that's buying the rack. Buy fan. I thought I already did all the. Oh, create aircon. Okay, so I did. Function. Thanks for the sub,
Vladimir Silva subscribed to the channel.
Vladimir Silvis. Appreciate it. Okay. So there we go. I have done a tutorial on FiveM SQL. I'm gonna hop off the stream, go watch Netflix to see you guys. Have a good night. I'll still brother. All right, man. Peace out. Yeah, if you're ever in the Discord, you need help, just ask for help. People will help you out. Have a good rest of your night. Enjoy your Netflix, man. Also, AJ, any SQL tutorial work, it doesn't need to be like a certain. It doesn't need FiveM specific. Any SQL tutorial work. Huh. We're gonna have to do another table, I think. Which I think it just I think this is fine. Alright, ask how old are you? I'm curious. I'm 19. Okay, so this function's gonna need to change. Get fans. It's going to actually do a query. Really? Thought you were like 25. No, I'm 19. Local fans. Query. Select. Fans. Where? Warehouse. Is that? We're gonna return the length of fans. I love developing, but I get burnt out so fast. Do you get burnt out? No, I was burnt out this weekend. That's why I didn't stream for like 3 days straight, or like more like 4 days straight. I was pretty burnt out. I think I was at a point where I just didn't know what to do, honestly. Breaks are important, man. It's a marathon, not a sprint. From the US? Yeah. And instead of get fans, we're actually going to call this a different function. We're going to call this get number. Get amount of fans. Make that a little more clear. So that would be good there. Yeah. You can't do breaks like that. That's too long. How'd you get into FiveM, Redem? I've already been interested in coding for a while. I started with, because my brother made a game in Unreal Engine when I was like 14, maybe like 12 or something. He made a game in Unreal that I loved playing, and then from there I had always had an interest in coding. Well, he made a game, and then I also went to this like some summer science camp where we did game development stuff, and then I got into robotics. But I've been a computer person since I was 5, so my brothers had me playing strategy games on our home computer when I was like 5 years old. So what is the name of the game? It's not like a public game. It was just like a little thing he did. Bucket. Why are we getting the bucket? Creating multi tables for the same script is not ideal. Well, it's just sometimes what you got to do, you know. I mean, in reality, I could put a lot of it into a table, or a lot of them into their own table, and then, or I probably could put this into here, but no, make it in one table. I mean, I don't have, it's not like a requirement. For now, while I'm setting everything up, it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to debug and do things if they're in separate tables, so I don't have to do annoying things. Yeah, it's a bad design. I mean, that was one thing they stressed a lot in my SQL classes was doing stuff like this. Having So the biggest warehouse that you can buy, I'm gonna go to it, is this warehouse, right? This warehouse alone can hold 57 racks, right? If I have this table or this table here with maybe like an array for each rack or whatever, that's 57 entries just in one tiny text. That's gonna be horrible. If something's wrong with one of the racks and a developer needs to go mess with it, that's gonna be so annoying. So I'd much rather them know, because when the player runs up to it, they know exactly what rack ID, they know exactly what the ID of the rack is, they know exactly what warehouse is it in, so they can much easier pinpoint what's going wrong in this table than having to look through a tiny text that's horrible to read. I mean, granted, you could just JSON encode it and do the indent, yeah, but this is more about people buying this aren't developers, they're server owners. So they want the easiest thing. Just want the easiest thing. If it was like 15 tables, yeah, I'd get it. But I mean, look at like the MDT. Look at New Phone Who This. Look how many tables they have here. It's definitely not a requirement, nor an industry standard either. A lot of stuff. I mean, like even the MDT. Even the MDT has a lot of. Well, I don't have it. PSMDT has like 6 tables, I think, that they use. And then here I can just do. combine this into one function instead. I should be able to take this entire thing here. Open fan chords. Aircon chords. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's my point. Is if I know something, like what I was saying earlier, if I know something like, can I even buy a rack in here? I don't know if it works. I was just doing one warehouse level at a time. Well, I know that's not going to work because that's not set up. But I'm about to start collecting a massive table of animations that are commonly used for people to just easily find, because the amount of times I try to find a lock picking animation, like just simple multi-used animations, it's kind of annoying since they're kind of, the names are kind of cryptic. So like here, for example, warehouse rack. If I buy one real quick and I go to it, and say this whole thing's full, all 7 of them, but I don't know. Oh wait, only this one's bugging out. I can know exactly what's wrong by just opening this, and I know exactly what's wrong with rack 11. So I just go to the table, and I just go to racks. It's like, oh wait, it didn't even load. Oh wait, ID 11 here. I can have exactly all the information for that rack exactly right here for me. And if it was in the warehouses, I'd have to like have a massive table here if it was completely full and have to like dig through it all. I don't want to do that. I'm not gonna put anything in there. It's gonna just bug out. Okay. Let me test now. Let me see. Oh, hold on. I had to do the get open. No, it's in here. Pretty much the same gist here for the fan. Get open fan. Create air con. Oh, does it not want to load? Yeah, I think I might do that. Maybe after stream I'll set it up. There'll just be a GitHub list. I think it's called like a G list, and it will literally just be the animation. I mean, the dictionary, the animation, and what the animation is. Because the amount of times it's a pain in the butt finding a good animation is annoying. And I know if I have the issue, I'm assuming a lot of other people have it too. Because it's kind of just an annoying thing with how cryptic they are, so. There we go. See, it spawned. Nice. So then, let's go. So now, let's do... We don't need fan upgrade anymore. So now what we do instead... So this one can only have 1. And then this one can have nada. So we'll just leave this empty. So we can compare it here. So here we're doing fan upgrade. So let's go up to where that's being decided. Oh, max aircon. Okay, never mind. That's fine. We don't need to mess with that. I didn't realize I was already defining that in the first place. Max aircon 0, 1. Okay. That's good. So no longer do we need that fan upgrade. It's gonna be a TebX script. I think so. I think so. I just need to get it. I need to get it completely finished and set up. Is it gonna be open source? Most likely not. You just saw the bridge. Yeah. Yeah, I pushed it. So Iron, if you're using my if anyone's using my bridge, then they needed to pull that. Which actually I'm gonna make a dev announce. Let everyone know. Yeah, if you're using the bridge, make sure you pull. I'm gonna add a after stream. I'm gonna add a version check into the bridge, so people will know. Is this QB Core? It will be. It will support QB Core, QBox, and ESX. From now on, all my scripts will all support that now. 255. Wait, what was that? 253. All my scripts will just use my bridge, which will allow support for every framework, or all the three big ones. 253. Client 253. Oh, that's 153. Oops. Shush. We need to. I didn't even think about this. We need to create. What is it? Aircon. Spawn aircon. No. What's that function called? Create aircon. Okay, so actually, it's be a lot different here. I'm removing all these comments. Okay, racks, get amount of racks. Okay, get amount of fans here. Get amount of fans, which is good. But we actually don't want to do that. We actually want a different callback here because that's just getting the number of fans. Which honestly, we can change this function around a little bit. We can do get warehouse fans. We can return the entire list of this. And instead, we can just return the length there. We can just return the length when we need the length instead of having multiple different ones. So we'll do fans for I, length fans. Fans dot boards JSON dot decode fans dot. That's great. I've been towing servers for a while and never had a chance to make scripts. Now I'm finally doing it. Thanks to Twisle. Can't wait to be able to say I made a script from scratch. Nice, dude. That's always the great feeling is when you make a script from scratch. I know my good buddy Brock, I taught him how to code, and when he finished his first script, he was real happy. Food delivery job. Nice. I took way too long of a break from this script because I barely remember any of this logic here. Let me just duplicate this and do it exactly the same way here. Okay, so that will do all that. That should get the racks. That should get the fans. Should be good. Yeah, I'll add the localization. I hadn't thought about that, so you just reminded me. Thanks. I will definitely add localization. Okay. Create aircon. Create rack. Yeah, I hadn't even thought about that. So yeah, I'll definitely because I've never done localization before, so I'll do it. So where are they actually? Where am I doing? Like create rack entry. Okay, so I need to trigger. I need to do probably just duplicate create rack entry. Call it create. I mean, it's the rack and the fan is like exactly the same, which is nice because I can kind of just duplicate them over. Insert into crypto fans. Why am I doing it like that? It's just stupid. I literally have the warehouse ID. I don't know why I just kept trying to do the bucket. But also, rack items. Don't need that. Slots needed. Don't need that. Actually, let's keep that. One. You just need one slot because I like the suggestion someone made on the stream when I first started doing this. Is it'd be kind of cool to have a like a fan blades maybe. No, not now. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait on that. We don't need any of this. I don't think. I think that should be fine. mean, we're just inserting it. I don't know why I'm getting it. And that's. Whoa, hey now. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. All right. For those of you in chat, I created a second YouTube channel. So if you guys enjoy my content and you want to see more, go subscribe to my second channel. It's kind of pretty much the whole purpose of the channel is to post stuff that I do off stream. So pretty much my main channel is just going to be FiveM stuff, just FiveM development for now until it grows a little bit more. But my second channel is going to be just more stuff. So I have right now, I got some other stuff I've been working on besides FiveM. I've been working on some Blender animations. Eventually I'll post game dev stuff in there when I dive into game dev. It's just I do a lot of other stuff outside of FiveM programming, but I can't post it on my main channel because it will kind of mess with my algorithm. So I'm in a good niche right now, so it's like a whole bunch of just algorithm nonsense. But plus streamable only lets you post a certain amount of size of videos. YouTube lets me post anything I want for the most part. So if you guys are interested in other stuff I do outside of FiveM, definitely subscribe to that channel because I'm going to be posting a lot on there just of random stuff I'm doing. Let me make sure the rack table is getting clear. Okay. All right, so let's buy level 2 because level 1 you can't buy a fan. Okay, so I bought a fan, which is good. So let's go into here. Oh, no, didn't execute out here. Okay, so something was wrong with the query with here. There is no status. It's just ID, warehouse, and chords. Where are we here? No status. The fan will just always be running. Don't need that. Let's try that again. No. Why is it loading power? Unknown column power. Why is it loading that? Did I not? Get open fan. I wonder if I'm doing something wrong here. Okay. Right here. Warehouse racks. server 228. Here. Make a new Star Trek? No, I love Star Wars. I'm such a Star Wars nerd, so and Star Wars Clone Wars, I've watched it through so many times. I just love it. And I love Blender too, so I saw some stuff this guy he created like I'll post in the chat. Hold on, I forget what his name is. From someone told me about him recently, but then also someone told me about I found his channel forever ago. I'm gonna find it real quick because now I want to remember here. What's his name? Ah, here it is. We'll watch it in the chat here real quick. Cause I want to see it. Gotta make a wiki. It's really hard, man. I don't model very well, so finding already pre-made models is kind of hard. This guy, he does some crazy stuff, and it's all in Blender too. Let me turn this up. Pause, please. Or not. Okay, be super laggy about it. It's so cool. This is all in Blender too.
Be careful. There could still be clones around every corner. Huh?
Why the long face? Keep up, Roy.
Yes, sir.
Ow, my head.
It's so cool, and it's like exactly in the Clone Wars style. And it's awesome, especially from like a Star Wars nerd like myself. It's sick. But the thing that sucks is he doesn't post any of them. I don't know when it's supposed to come out because the teaser trailer was a year ago and he hasn't posted it in 11 months. So I don't know what he's up to, but look at his Twitter. See if he's posting anything on Twitter. Most active on Instagram. Pins. Okay, here's this post. When was this? January 1st. Okay, so he's still posting. I just really wish he would I wish he would post some of these. Like at least his well he has posted his shooter, his laser. But I wish he would post his base clone model because there's no good base Clone Wars style model. So it's been a pain in the butt trying to get models and stuff that work, that don't look like trash. Client 237. Should be, I think, in here probably. No, it's probably. No, it probably is in here where they're. Get warehouse fans. I'm not What did I just do? I'm not returning the number anymore. I will return the table, and if they want, I'm the one making it, but if they want numbers and stuff, they can just hashtag it. You a fan of Halo? I never really got into Halo. I feel like I was too much of a youngin. I feel like I was too much of a young buck to get into Halo. But given how much I enjoy sci-fi, I'm sure I would enjoy Halo. Okay, so I don't know what is going on and why this is not working. Yeah, my brother had the OG one, but I never played it. I don't know why it's throwing from owner and stuff. Probably because oh, wait. Why is this not warehouse.id? That's what it needs to be. That's why I was throwing. We got the original Xbox Halo still in the box. Yeah, I think. Hold on. Let me Google this one. That I think we have. We have this one. This one. My dad still has this one at his house. It opens up into like 3. I don't know if this is like the original one or what, but I know we have this one. It's not worth as much as I thought it was. This $70 on whatnot. Oh, you got like the Xbox. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Let me actually put this back here. All right, so let's try it now. So the issue was I was passing through the entire warehouse table when it was just supposed to be an integer. No, I don't want to buy a rack. I want to buy a fan. Okay, they're good. Okay, so we got a fan. Okay, so now when I leave, it should delete, which is good. Let's test to make sure it deleted. Let me TP to that warehouse. I'm so dumb though. When I first created this script, I was trying to assign these. Okay, so it didn't delete, which is not good. So it's probably just an issue with how I'm deleting things, but it's fine for now. Actually, it's not fine for now because I wanted to test to make sure it loads. Or make sure it loads when I go in and out. No, to script night vision goggles. You realize you're adding money? No, I think I'm removing money. It's just I think it's the UI is stupid. Yeah, I'm calling the take money function. So it's just I don't know. It's something with the UI's glitch because sometimes when I do take money, it does the correct one, and then sometimes it doesn't. Oh, we're not deleting. I don't know why I have these in different tables, but it's fine. There we go. I mean, scripting night vision goggles is probably just putting a filter on the camera. Too many. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make that animation table list, or I might create TWUtils, honestly, or like my own library of functions that I use. Which I mean, a lot of them will just be duplicate of Oxlib, but like I said, I like to use my own filter. Camera. Do you know any other games of FiveM that you scripted? Yeah, I've modded a lot of different games. I've modded Bannerlord, Mountain Blade Bannerlord. I've modded this. Not very much. I think the biggest game that I've modded before was Crusader Kings. That's subscribed. This is the main one that I modded, which is horrible. I hate modding this stupid thing. Hold on. Okay, never mind. What's something else? Let me actually open this up. I gotta send my second one. Someone. Okay. Yeah, it's probably. I'm gonna be honest with you, CFX. It's probably something just with the filter. Wow, there's a lot more. A lot more than I thought. Wow. Spline node. You can spline the camera? Okay. That's sick. I bet you if we had access to the engine, like how Roblox has access to the game engine, but for FiveM, they better do that for Rome because mods will go crazy. But yet again, Rockstar hates modders, so okay, so it should say, when I leave, it should say deleted rack. Okay, good. So it deleted the fan. Good. So let me load in, and it should spawn the fan. Haha, let's go. Let's go. This also spawns you in the wrong heading. Nice, it works. This is level 2. Nice, so it works. Okay. Good. And then, okay, so now I want to test it with level 3, but we need to set some stuff up first with level 3, like the standing cords and stuff for the laptop. Because level 3, level 3 can spawn like 6. You can buy like, you can buy like 6 tables or 6 aircon units, so standing. Okay, let's try this one. Let's start here. Buy 3. He's deleting. Oh, no, they're not. I gotta make sure that I clear that table too when someone sells the warehouse. Okay. So this would be a good test for multi-fans. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. Hey, you calm down. It just means I was too close to the table, I think. Slash E type. Get a good distance here. That's good enough. For now, let me fix that real quick though. Okay. Oh God. I shouldn't be able to buy more. Yeah, chords is false because I shouldn't be able to buy anymore. Okay. Something with the context menu. Oh, fan upgrade. Okay. Needs to be that. Okay, good. So none of those should have went through. None of those extra ones I did should have went through. Actually, so it's gonna cause a problem. So let's just fix this now. So config. Where's the server? On resource stop. Okay, so that will wipe the table. Okay. Let's try that again. Buy, not a rack. Nope, not a cell. Fan, 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 fan. Something's gotta be wrong. Oh, okay. I know why now. Because I'm doing it differently now. We need to get warehouse fans. Like this. And then here needs to be like this. And if now it should work. I just bought a rack and didn't even realize it. Okay, so it's still doing the same thing. Nice. Two 7. Okay, I don't care about that. I care about why this isn't working. Why isn't it working? Here, let's check. Let's check this one first. Simply because 2 out of 3 have air conditioners, so are the tables being populated? Is it being populated when I buy one? Okay, it is, which is good. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I bought 6. Hashtag racks. Let me fans. Obviously something's up, or it would be working. Okay, so I just bought 1 fan. Fans 1. Okay. So it's counting the fans now. 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. Let me look at another one. Oh, because I have to do not. I thought it was already set to not. All right, so now it should work. The default needs to be true. By default, you should be able to buy fans. Okay, so I just bought one. I can see it over there. Bought another one. 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 Can't buy another one. Okay, nice. So it works. Look at all of them. And then if I leave the warehouse and then come back, they should be still there. Well, they should actually technically delete first. So let's see here. Yep, deleted them. And then if we come over here and load back in, they should spawn. Yep, there we go. There we go. So that issue seems to be fixed. And the same with the racks. The racks seems they spawn correctly also. Also, we need to run all of these and then delete. That will loop through, and that will delete all this stuff in the rack. Okay, so first thing we need to do though is we actually should get the warehouse first. How did I have that set up first? Okay, no, it's just a bunch of debug statements. Okay, so what we should first do is local is owner, and then we should single select owner from warehouses where owner equals. Do I have a function for the citizen ID? No, I have to because that's how I create a warehouse. If is owner dot owner does not equal well actually we need to where equals ID. If is owner dot owner does not equal CID, then return. And then this person should in reality be banned because they're trying to delete a warehouse that doesn't belong to them. Okay. Sorry, I was just thinking. Clear. Okay, we already did this. Buying AC unit. We'll do that right now. So we can do same thing here. Go here. Go to my GitHub. Bridge. Progress. If not, then return. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Actually, no, let's do the locals because I've never done that before, and now I want to learn how to do it. Thank you, Ethan. Got crypto rack twice. $269. Wait, is my chat old when you say that? 59. Oh, I think my chat's old. Oh yeah, my chat is old. Sorry guys, I didn't see any of this. What part of the binoculars? Here? Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, sorry guys. My chat wasn't doing it. It wasn't loading. Are you gonna transparency the red? I don't know. I don't know what you mean, CFX. Red only show. Oh, you're talking about the debug zones. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's do this local thing. So we'll add a folder here. Load the local module. Okay, so I only have to do this once. So we'll just do this anywhere on player load, I guess. And then we go here and files. And we'll load all of them. Okay. Oh, so you can even do like, okay, Lisa, and I see that. Does it matter where I put this? Where I put the thing to load it? Or where I put this lib.local? Can I put this anywhere? I mean, I can just put it at the top. Never used it. Don't need it. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, so then I can just do... I'm gonna take your example here. Okay, so I can just take this entire thing, paste this here. Okay. Oxlib local. Wait, is where you have Oxlib... You put in that message you sent me, you had this. Oh, crap. You had this. What does that do? Or how does the person that's using the script define which local they want to use? Or is that Oxlib does that here? I'm assuming it's probably here. Then you just load it here. Okay. I think you just had this for like a header or something. I don't think I need that. Okay, so let's just delete all this but one. So let's do progress. So we'll do progress and we'll do buying item. We'll be buying ... buying like that. Then we can do locals here. And then our bridge we can do local progress dot buying item. And then here this would be fan. Oh no, we don't need to do that since it'll be different. Buying cooler. And then do buying crypto rack. Buying okay. What I can do here. So here would be progress dot buying cooler. And then here that will wait. Anim is just going to be that. Okay. And okay. So let's test it out. Refresh. Using local and adding that to everything's a pain in the ass. Oh, like adding locals to everything's a pain. Local, nil value. I think I need lib.local. I did what you did. The FX manifest thing. Where is that? Oh, you're talking about this. Okay. I thought I added that. Oh wait, no, I deleted it. Let me refresh. Sure. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, it worked. Okay, nice. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. That'll be good. So for people that need local files, there you go. And I don't have to do like how I used to do it, where I used to just put a config file instead of locals. So here we can just do find crypto rack. And this code can be executed under here. That should be good for buying the rack. Or not, I just deleted what I put. There we go. Oh yeah, that does look like a pain. But it's probably only a pain, you know, it's only the pain the one time, you know? And it's probably easier if I set it up. If I would have set it up from the start, it would have been probably a lot better. A lot easier, at least. Yeah, for sure. This is gonna suck. So we just do. Can I not just concatenate it? I guess I can do it like this. Oh man. Okay, so these all share the same title. We do stats, upgrade, sell. What's up, Joa? I think that's how you say it. What's up, man? Have you tried cursor instead of regular? I guarantee you would enjoy using it. I don't know what that is. Never heard of that. But honestly, at the end of the day, it'll probably be nicer having a description, having this, because I can just change the local and it will change. You know, it'll just change everywhere if I use it like multiple times. Definitely just like one of those things that's a pain in the ass to set up. All right. I mean, I don't mind regular VS Code. I don't like it, but I don't mind it. I'd rather use actual Visual Studio. Real men use Visual Studio. But 10x developers use cursor. The AI code editor, bro. No, I'm not using that. I will stay. I don't even want that in my search history. I'm gonna clear my search history now. I'll donate 10. No, that's all right, man. You when I'm scared of trying new things. No, it's just I don't do AI like that. It's lazy. You never. It's not how you learn. I'm also not a sellout either, so. Uh, okay. All right. So let's try this now. Hey, there we go. It's still loaded, which is good. Stats won't load. Upgrade. Okay. So that's here. So the local's loaded, which is good. So that equals what the local is, then it will delete. Okay, good. So that one's good. So let's do. It uses the same title. Total crypto mined, total power consumed. So we just need power and total mined. Why is there a W on the end of that? Oh, it's for watts. Okay. Okay, can I like do this? Oh, and it does fit correctly. Okay. Power used. Okay, good. And then I can come here, do this. Power use the script. Just put 0 for now. Like, okay, good.
One moment in time, your soul and mine floating up into the clouds. Two bodies under the moonlight, not even making a sound. We spoke about the truth to lead the way. Spoke about how you would make me stay. Bright big visions and all the change.
Yeah, but I think it's different, Kerr, because I think it's how the locals are loaded compared to something else, I think. Okay, so let's do.
We spoke about the truth to lead the way. Spoke about how you would make me stay. Bright big visions and all the change.
Okay, so we just pretty much come here too. And then that will be. That should actually be the entire context menu, I think, for the laptop. All loads. Life stats loaded, upgrades loaded, sell. That loaded. Okay, good. So the entire rack loaded. Wait, why didn't that? I should have stopped the animation. I clicked sell. That should fix that, I think. Crazy I can understand everything of what is written if I'm Kaluba has written so much stuff. Does that, do you actually understand what's going on, or are you just trying to understand what's going on? There's definitely a difference. If you understand what's going on, you should really be able to make something yourself. There we go. Okay, so the next thing, local, we need to do this one. Which I don't really want to do. Sorry. Looking at something. Alright, chat. I think I'm gonna end stream. Yeah, I'm gonna end stream. We've been live for like 3 hours. Oh my god, I just smacked the shit out of my computer. So I'm gonna stream though. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys join the Discord to get a whole bunch of free resources and everything. Good help. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, night, morning, wherever you are in the world, and peace out.